Look, if you're spending money on marketing without a real strategy, you're not investing, you're gambling. And worse, most businesses don't even know they're doing it. Let's talk about it on today's Marketing Minute. I'm Tony Wright. A lot of businesses throw money at SEO, PPC, social media, influencers, billboards, AI tools. But when you ask them why, the answer is almost always the same. Well, because someone told me it works. No real targeting, no clearly defined customer journey, no metrics that actually tie back to revenue. And here's the brutal truth: marketing tactics without strategy are like trying to win a war by throwing all your weapons in the air and hoping one hits something. And agencies, yeah, we're guilty too. A lot of us are selling tools instead of outcomes. That's why so many campaigns feel impressive, but don't move the needle. So, what's the fix? Simple. Start with strategy first. Ask yourself, what exactly are you trying to do? Who exactly are you trying to reach? What do you want them to do? What do they need to believe to do it? And how does every piece of your marketing support that belief? Until you can answer those questions with brutal clarity, every dollar you spend is just a fancy coin toss. So here's your takeaway: stop paying for tactics until you have a strategy. And if your agency or in house team can't give you one, call me. We'll build one that actually leads somewhere. I'm Tony Wright, and this has been your Marketing Minute.